The 2026 Ford Explorer, what we know so far. While not much info is officially out there, yet, regarding the 2026 Ford Explorer, we break down what rumors are swirling when it comes to release date, new features, pricing, and more. If you live in the suburbs and have a family-oriented neighborhood, you're likely very familiar with the family car. It's the ultimate car for large groups of people and paved the way for the 2026 Ford Explorer. Those interested in purchasing the 2026 Ford Explorer should know what they're getting into before planning for the future. The segment the Ford Explorer rests in is constantly growing and changing, meaning the Explorer has more competition than ever. While we don't anticipate many alterations and upgrades for the 2026 model year, a few speculative rumors are floating around. Read on to learn more about vital details like the price point and the interior of the Explorer. 2026 Ford Explorer release date, when will it come out? There isn't any official information on the release of the 2026 Ford Explorer. It won't come out until next year, so we suspect the vehicle could appear at the end of 2025. However, that timeline can always shift as we draw closer to the official day. Check back here to learn when the 2026 Ford Explorer will come out. What's new in the 2026 Ford Explorer? The 2026 Ford Explorer is an exciting upgrade to the lineup for the Ford Explorers thus far. It's earned some updates over the past few years, which means we don't expect any dramatic shifts for the 2026 version. However, rumors are that some aspects will step into the modern world. According to FordCarNews.com, here are some speculations for the newest year of the Explorer. More modern exterior. Upgraded technology. Enhanced safety features. Everything should be upgraded for the 2026 model year. These are common areas of improvement in cars, so it's no surprise they will likely encounter upgrades for the 2026 model year. There are rumors of massive electric capabilities from this upcoming year of the Explorer, that could take the car to new heights on the market. We are also thrilled about the futuristic exterior design. How much will it cost? The price point for the 2026 model hasn't been confirmed yet, but we expect the cost to be close to the current price of the 2025 Ford Explorer. We also anticipate most of the trims to remain the same since there's not much reason for the Explorer to add more depth to their trim offerings. According to FordCarNews.com, here are some possible price points for the 2026 Ford Explorer. Ford Explorer Active, $41,350. Ford Explorer ST Line, $46,110. Ford Explorer Platinum, $53,250. Ford Explorer ST, $57,100. The price range isn't too extreme. These are also the price points for the 2025 Ford Explorer. We expect the cost will go up, but that could range from a few $100s to a few thousand depending on the trim level. Keep checking here for more information as we get closer to the official release date. How does the performance look? Rumors surround the performance of the 2026 Ford Explorer, especially since their electric SUV offering release date was pushed back to 2027. Rumors anticipate the system will target the same people who purchase cars like the Mustang Mach-E, which means it will be sleeker than past iterations and prepared to kick it on the road. Otherwise, we suspect the 2026 Explorer will have the same engine options as the 2025 version. Turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder/turbocharged 3.0-liter V6. 300 horsepower/400 horsepower. 310 pound-feet of torque/415 pound-feet of torque. The V6 system is more powerful and available in upgraded trims. Another perk of the Ford Explorer is its strength and towing capacity, which will continue into the 2026 model year. The 2025 Explorer can handle 5,000 pounds and even provides a towing package for those who know they will be adventuring. We hope for the same in the 2025 Ford Explorer. What's safety like? Safety features are always one of the top priorities in Ford, and that won't change for the 2026 model year. Every vehicle created by Ford provides a significant package with driver assistance tools to provide a better understanding of the road and ways to tackle dangers as they come. According to caranddriver.com, common Ford safety features include the following: forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. These items successfully work together to keep the driver alert and prepared. All these are standard in the 2025 Explorer, so they should be standard in the 2026 iteration, too. As we draw closer to the release date, it will be simple to check out the crash test ratings too to see how the shell performs when put up against serious obstacles. What's the interior like? Luxury is possibly the name of the game in the 2026 Ford Explorer. Rumors reveal the 2026 Explorer seamlessly pulling together innovative technology and luxurious design elements for the ultimate driver experience. These details would make it a must for the innovative and detail-oriented driver. Possible interior details include the following, according to rumor: premium materials, advanced infotainment, massive touchscreen, advanced speaker system. These are all practical. Ford does a solid job including luxurious upgrades as standard on most of their models past the base, which we suspect will be the case for the 2026 version. We hope to see more technological advances, especially with the possibility of more electric offerings than ever. Is the 2026 Ford Explorer worth waiting for? While there likely won't be too many upgrades for the 2026 Explorer, we are excited about the electric possibility and the upgraded interior. It will also boast a more modern look and advanced safety features, giving the Explorer a breath of fresh air in a competitive market. We think the 2026 Ford Explorer is waiting for, and the electric iteration is worth waiting even longer. The Explorer is the ultimate SUV, offering plenty of technology with ample room for the entire family. We're thrilled to see where Ford takes this classic next.